Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tasha on Demand. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Saturday. So, I'm chilling right now. I got up early this morning. I did the yard, I ran some errands, and I got back, and this package was on my door. So, remember, this is my birthday week, and I'm celebrating. It's my birthday month. I'm celebrating all month. So, if you don't know, I decided not to do any travel, not to do anything, and I was just going to spoil myself, decorate my room, and buy the things that I've been wanting. So this is one of those things that I've been wanting. So let's find out what it is. This was delivered, and I don't know why I got this dirty box that was on my porch, on my little fluffy rug here. Well, it's not a rug, it's over my table. So it is from Coach, and like I said, it was delivered from U.S. Postal Service, which is better for me because when FedEx and UPS deliver things, they always deliver them to the wrong address, and it just causes mess in the neighborhood. So here we are. It did come with this. Look like it's two items. Let's see what it is. Oh. This is my birthday gift that my daughter has sent to me. Okay. Let me come more closer. We're going to open it together. And I have on just some shorts. Shorts and a tee. Okay. Oh, she went overboard. This girl went overboard. Look at Minnie. I don't know if I'm going to keep her. She paid a lot for this charm. It's a collectible, but it's made out of real leather. Look at this. I told her that I was going to get the Mickey Mouse Rogue for myself. So she said she wanted me to have some charms to go with it. And instead of having them shipped to her house because she worked a lot, um, she wanted them shipped here. And she even put my name. That's why I didn't know it was from her. I didn't know it was her package. This is Minnie. And oh, he cute. This is cute. Coach is outdoing themselves. I don't think the website really does them justice. Look at Mickey and Minnie. Now I probably wouldn't have bought this for myself. And whoever wrapped this messed up their nose. But to accept these as some gifts, I don't think I want to return them because I don't want to, not accepting someone's gift kind of can be offensive. But I'm not going to take the wrapping off. Let me think about this. If you see them again, that means I kept them. If you don't see them again, that means, and I'll give everyone an update. I'll tell you whether or not I kept Mickey and Minnie because she spent a lot. Even Minnie's dress is made out of leather. Let me show you. There's some cloth underneath. And I seen these. You have to type in, I'm going to put the link. You have to type in Disney. The tail is leather. And it has right here. It has Disney time Coach, Disney Coach. Yeah, comment below. Would you keep them or would you send it back and use the money for something else? Comment below. I will also leave the link to these two below the video. Thank you so much for watching and happy birthday to me and thank you to my daughter. This was so nice and sweet. See you in the next video. Bye bye.